so it is that time yet again. We have another mail call. Now this is from a good buddy of mine back at my last base. He had sent me a message to see if I had these castings, which I don't. So I can't wait to open up this bad boy. But like I said in my last video, guys, we are only staying in this apartment for a couple of months. And then we're gonna be moving again. I know it's been crazy moving and all that good stuff, but yeah. Let's go ahead and get this box open and see what my buddy sent. All right, guys, let's see what is in the box. Ooh, check this out. He threw in some extras. Oh, nice, man. Check it out. You got the Richard Petty number 43. Oh man, you guys already know I love old NASCAR stuff, especially stuff like this. The old STP car. Nice. I don't remember that being in the picture of what he sent. This one right here, guys, the Path Beater. Now, he had sent me this. Look at that. So appropriate for where I'm at. It's got a snow plow in the front. Oh, that is super cool. It is a bright neon yellow. You got the silver interior with the spare tire in the back, and then of course the off-road saw blades in chrome. It's got Ecology Recycle Center. Look at that. Man, that is so cool. I bet if you have this loose, that snow plow in the front is probably gone. But this is collector number 198. Of course I could have looked right there, but collector number 198 on a blue card. Check that out, the Path Beater. Nice. Oh, he sent some extras in here. There we go. The Lamborghini Countach police car treasure hunt. Nice, my man. Oh, he must be having some better luck down in Arizona than I am. This makes number 3. So there we go, nice. All right, next up we have the Honda N600. Now this is the second recolor, the first one being that cream with the red interior, which is my favorite. But this makes number 2. I only have one of these in my collection. So there we go, a nice one to add too. I love this casting. Really, really nice. My man threw in some extras, and here we go. The Ferrari 355 out of the 95 model series. Look at this. Nice yellow enamel, black interior, and you do have the chrome 5-dot wheels all the way around, so very clean. Of course, you have the red Hot Wheels flame right there on the license plate, full metal cast, and this was out of Kmart back in the day. Look at that. I don't think I have a 355 yellow. Let's see. I don't. And if I do, it might be carded, but I highly, highly doubt it. Because these are my Ferraris right here. So at least I don't have one loose. So there we go. We have a yellow one to throw in the collection. Next up, my man found this old school treasure hunt. Check this out, guys. The Circle Trucker. Now, if you remember, this one was also a treasure hunt re-released, I think in 2020. You can see the silver flame, or that's actually a black flame right there on the card. And of course the flame right there behind the number 3. This actually looks really good. Has almost like a Green Bay Packers vibe. The green, yellow, and white. You got the kill pin racing. Oh yeah, that is, man, that is nice. This one is so much better than the silver one. Look at that green. Man, that looks good. That looks really good. Even the rivets right there on the bottom. Man, this one's probably my favorite variation of this truck. Look at that. Man, that is nice. All right, and last, definitely not least, we have the Solaire Cx-4. Check that out. Now, I do have a couple loose variations of this, but this color, look at that. Metallic flake inside of that burgundy. I love the radar infiltration thing. That is super cool, especially if you know my career field. We have a lot to do with defeating radar and all that stuff. So when you see infiltration and radar systems, that is super cool. Very Lamborghini Countach looking. Love this variation of it. It's got the chrome 3 spokes out of the Spy Print series. Nice. And collector number 555. Lucky numbers right there. Expose the truth. So awesome, man. My buddy definitely hooked it up. I was only expecting these two, or actually these three, and my man sent in some extra. So Vlad, huge thanks to you. These are freaking awesome. You guys already know I love stuff like this. Older stuff, it's definitely one of those things I just love adding to the collection. Even stuff like this snowplow path beater, that is just cool. You don't see stuff like this anymore. That is all I got, guys. I know it's a real quick unbox. I'll definitely save this box and I might send him some stuff in return. But there we go. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below which one of these was your favorite casting. And let me know if you also have this treasure hunt in your collection with the other one. I feel like this is so much better looking in cast than the newer one. It looks skinnier in the back, but I don't know. You guys let me know down in the comments which one of these was your favorite. And of course, until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace. So we have another package that came in yesterday. I know you guys watched me unbox the one from my buddy Vlad, but we have one right here from my buddy Gilbert. So he's been actually trying to send this to me for a while. He was waiting on my address, but I believe he had sent the Ferrari in here. Now I used to have this one. It was loose. It was the brown metallic with the chrome 5 dots. I think it's a 308 or a 348 Ferrari. I can't remember which one it is, but I think that's what's in here, and hopefully that's the only thing. But that's the only thing I'm tracking to be in this box, but we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what we got. See, we got a little letter right here. Had to send a couple of extras. Enjoy, my friend. Thank you for your service. I definitely appreciate you. You didn't have to throw in extras, but you guys know I love everything that you guys send. Like I mentioned, I only was tracking the Ferrari, but let's see what my man threw in here. So this one is collector 66 out of 2000. And this, ooh, look at that. It's a 2000 first edition Deuce Roadster. Look how wicked that is. Let's try to get the light on this. Look at that. That is a true old school Zamac right there. A raw metal finish. I love that. Look at that. You can see some little discoloration right there on the door, but it gives it a nice rat rod look. It just fits perfectly. So you got the chrome 5 spokes all the way around, of course, staggered, and it is an all metal casting. Check that out. That is cool. This is my first Deuce Roadster in the collection. So awesome. Next one up. It's collector 816. And there she is, guys. Yep, the Ferrari 308 in brown metallic with the chrome 5 dots. Now, like I had mentioned, I had this one loose for the longest time, and I had done a trade with somebody and really wanted to get their hands on some Ferraris, and this was one of the ones I threw in the box, and man, I was trying to find this one at the cubby hole, couldn't find it anywhere. My man Gilbert came in solid with the Ferrari 308 on the original red card. So this is a red card variation. Whereas you can see right here, these were the blue cards. Some cars have different colored cards. I have a couple. I think I have a Mustang. One is a blue card, one is a red card, but it's the same cast. So definitely keep an eye out for that type of thing. But this is freaking beautiful. Now, I think I have a brown one in here. Let's see. Maybe it's the other side. This is all my exotics. Oh, I do have a loose 5 dot. Check this out, guys. Maybe I have a carded 5-spoke variation of it. Look at this, guys. So so thinking back on it, I think not that long ago, somebody had actually sent this in one of my packages after I had given it away, and then Gilbert had found that one, and I had thought, man, I gave one away, not remembering that I actually got another one. But I do think I have a brown one carded, That is not the 5-dot variation. I believe it's the 5-spoke variation of it. But there we go. I guess I have 2 of them. Jeez. These are the things you run into when you're collecting so often and you just don't really remember what you have. But yeah, I had given one of these away. I guess I got one back in the collection. And then I got a carded one. And now Gilbert has sent this one, but now I need to make sure that the one I have is a blue card and not a red card, because then it'd be a card variation. Still a beautiful piece. And ooh, here we go, check this out. We have the first edition tuned Enzo Ferrari. Now that is nice. I believe Kingnut actually had sent me one of these. If I'm lucky, it is, yep, right there. If you guys can see it, there's the tuned Enzo. You can see the front end of it. Don't know if it's a card variation. Let's go ahead and open it up and see. This is everyone's letters, but where's that Enzo at? It's just a few cars down. Here's that 2015 Land Rover Defender I was talking about after the one I picked up yesterday, Seafoam Green. So there's 2 variations of the Defender that I have now. So it's awesome to see that in there, but let's go ahead and put this back over here. All right, and there we go. Oh no, this is different. This is definitely different, check that out. I thought they were the same, but they're not. That's just a first edition Enzo. I thought it was a tuned one. So this, yeah, this is my first tuned Enzo. Nice. This whole time I was thinking I had the tuned one, but I don't. Now I did recently get this black tuned Ferrari in a mail call, but there we go, nice. I'm glad I actually looked at it. So I don't have this one. This is collector number 9 out of 2004. So that's a 2004 first edition. It's a 2003 first edition Enzo. So 2 different variations of the Enzo, 1 tuned, 1 regular, same cards. But that, oh man, that is sweet. That even makes it better. That makes it better, because now I actually have it. Nice. So of course you have the Ferrari red, headlight tampos, just some basic silver details. And then of course the staggered PR5s in chrome all the way around. But I really like that polished motor coming out the back right there. Very nice. Now I know a bunch of you have been requesting for me to do a Ferrari collection just to show off the Ferraris I have. Eventually we will do that. A lot of my Ferraris in that case. But yeah, for the majority, that is what we got. I got Ferraris right here. I've mentioned that before. I have a lot of Ferraris just kind of spread around these cases. So there we have it, guys. Some awesome castings from Gilbert, especially the Enzo. Like I mentioned, I thought I had it, but I don't. Now I have it, so that is freaking awesome. Especially for this Deuce Roadster. It's something I don't have in my collection. I absolutely love this finish. So Gilbert, thank you so much for sending these, especially the carded 308. Now that I have one loose, I can have it carded and displayed later on. The Ferraris I don't want to open, but if I find them loose, of course I am gonna just store them like this. But awesome package right here. Of course, you can never go wrong with some Ferraris. So that is all we got today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. And of course, let me know what you like from this package as well as the one that we got earlier that you saw right before this. So that is all I got. And of course, until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.